Hello guys, it's Abisola Cooks again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make watermelon juice with watermelon and ginger. Now we begin. I have already washed my watermelon, so I will just cut it into small pieces and remove the seeds. And I have also cut my ginger into small pieces. So I will put them into the blender and add some water and blend until it is smooth. Then serve. You can serve it chilled. I would like to appreciate your likes, comments, and your support by subscribing to my channel. You all have a special place in my heart. Alright,